Tired of ramen? Respondent to the rescue. Let's be honest, is your bank account looking as sad as a microwave burrito? Do you find yourself fantasizing about winning the lottery while waiting for the bus? Yeah, we've all been there. But before you resort to selling your kidney on the dark web, listen up. There's a new sheriff in town for making some extra cash, and its name is Respondent. Respondent is like that friend who always has a side hustle going on. But instead of selling questionable weight loss tea, Respondent hooks you up with paid research studies. That's right, companies will actually pay you for your opinion. It's like magic, but with less David Copperfield and more cold hard cash. So if you're tired of clipping coupons and eating instant noodles, stick around. We're about to dive deep into the wonderful world of Respondent and show you how to turn your thoughts and opinions into sweet, sweet cash. Okay, so what is Respondent exactly? Imagine a giant online focus group where companies gather information about their products and services. They need real people like you and me to give them feedback. And the best part, they're willing to pay for it. Respondent connects you with these companies through paid research studies. These studies can range from online surveys to phone interviews to even in-person focus groups. The topics are diverse too, covering everything from technology and healthcare to food and fashion. Think of it like this. You get to share your opinion, companies get valuable insights, and everyone walks away a little bit richer. It's a win-win situation, really. Alright, now that you're practically swimming in visions of dollar bills, let's talk about how to get started with Respondent. Don't worry, signing up is easier than convincing your cat to wear a costume. First things first, head over to the Respondent website and create an account. It's free to join, and they won't ask for your credit card information. We're looking at you, sketchy survey sites. Once you're in, you'll need to fill out your profile. Be as detailed as possible. The more information you provide, the more likely you are to qualify for relevant studies. Think of it like online dating, but instead of finding a soulmate, you're finding paid research opportunities. Section 4. Raking in the dough tips from a Respondent pro. Not really, but we sound cool. Now that you're all signed up and ready to go, let's talk about how to maximize your earnings on Respondent. Because let's face it, you didn't sign up just to make enough money for a cup of coffee. First and foremost, be honest and thoughtful in your responses. Companies are looking for genuine feedback, not just random answers. Plus, if you try to game the system, you might get kicked off the platform. Second, check your email regularly. Respondent sends out notifications when new studies become available. The early bird gets the worm, or in this case, the paid research opportunity. Section 5. Time is money, friend. Maximize your earning potential. Remember that time is money, especially when it comes to online gigs like Respondent. You're not going to get rich quick, but you can definitely earn some decent side cash if you use your time wisely. One way to do this is to treat Respondent like a part-time job. Set aside specific times each week to check for new studies and complete them. Consistency is key. Another tip is to focus on higher-paying studies. Yes, those 5-minute surveys are tempting, but sometimes it's worth it to spend an hour on a focus group that pays $100 or more. Section 6. Ready to ditch the side hustle? Okay, maybe not yet, but Respondent can help. So there you have it, folks. Respondent is a legit way to make some extra cash from the comfort of your own home. It's not going to make you a millionaire overnight, but it can definitely help you pad your bank account and maybe even treat yourself to something nice. Ready to join the ranks of savvy survey takers and start earning money for your opinions? Head over to Respondent and sign up today using the link I attached below in the description of this video. Oh, and while you're at it, check out Vidic and Swagbucks for even more ways to make money online by clicking on the link I attached to the description below, because let's be honest, who couldn't use a little extra cash in their pocket?